A new rumor is creating a lot of excitement around future iPhones, especially when it comes to camera technology. Right now, iPhones are known for taking great photos, but when you compare them to some Chinese flagship phones, there is still a noticeable gap in certain areas like zoom, sensor size, and overall versatility. Devices from brands like Xiaomi, Vivo, and Oppo have been pushing smartphone photography to the next level. Phones such as the Xiaomi 17 Ultra or the upcoming Vivo X300 Ultra are expected to feature powerful camera systems, including large sensors and even dual 200-megapixel setups for both main and zoom cameras. These setups allow for sharper images, better zoom quality, and improved low-light performance. Now, here's where things get interesting. A well-known tipster has suggested that Apple might use a similar 200-megapixel camera sensor in a future iPhone. Not in the immediate next release, but possibly in a device coming around 2027. That could be called the iPhone 19 or even the iPhone 20, depending on how Apple decides to name its lineup for the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. The sensor in question is believed to be the Sony LYT-901. This is a very advanced camera sensor that was introduced recently and is already expected to be used in upcoming flagship phones from companies like Oppo. It's a large sensor for a smartphone, measuring around 112 inches, which means it can capture more light compared to smaller sensors. More light usually means better photos, especially in low-light situations. This sensor also uses something called quad Bayer technology. In simple terms, it combines multiple pixels into one to improve image quality in challenging lighting. At the same time, it can still produce full 200-megapixel images when needed using advanced processing. It can shoot extremely detailed photos and even capture images at high speed, like 10 frames per second at full resolution. That sounds impressive, but it's important to understand that a camera sensor alone does not define the final image quality. There are many other factors involved. For example, the lens placed in front of the sensor plays a big role. Its design, aperture, and coatings all affect how light enters the camera. Then there is the image processing system inside the phone. This is where companies really differentiate themselves. Apple, for example, is known for its strong image processing, which helps produce natural colors, balanced exposure, and consistent results. Even if two phones use the same sensor, the final photos can look very different because of how each company processes the image. Another important factor is computational photography. This includes features like HDR, night mode, and AI enhancements. These tools combine multiple images and adjust them to create a final photo that looks better than what a single shot could achieve. Right now, the iPhone 17 Pro uses a 48-megapixel Sony sensor which already delivers excellent results. But moving to a larger and more advanced 200-megapixel sensor like the LYT-901 could bring noticeable improvements. It could mean better detail, improved zoom without losing quality, and stronger performance in difficult lighting conditions. Still, nothing is confirmed yet. These are early rumors, and Apple is known for taking its time before adopting new technology. The company usually waits until it can fully optimize both hardware and software to deliver a polished experience. If this upgrade does happen, it could mark a big shift in how Apple approaches smartphone cameras. Instead of focusing only on software and processing, the company might start competing more directly with hardware innovations from Chinese brands. For now, it's something to keep an eye on. The idea of an iPhone with a 200-megapixel camera sensor is definitely exciting, but the real question is how Apple would use it. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about having the biggest numbers, it's about delivering the best overall camera experience.